Hi guys, today we have an expert advisor. It works in oil H4, so the 4-hour time frame. You can see this is the result. We're gonna run it with you. So I call it Oil Magic Expert Advisor. It has made 17,500 points in 2 years and a half. It works in all market conditions. It's real profit and loss trades. You're gonna see that. So we don't claim we only make profit all the time. This is not real. So this is not a scam ad. This is the result. Okay, it's published here, so it's not made up. You can see that. This is a graph. Okay, so let's see how it works. And this all the trades was a profit and loss. This 2 years and a half of trades in the H4, so it works in bigger time frame. That's a lot of trades. I just want to let you see this is like real work. Okay, so it runs here. It's make sure you have the auto trading on, and you make sure you make it on from inside here in tools. And when you have the expert advisor and giving you a smiley face, it means it's working. Okay, so let's jump in and check it together. So when you have this and you choose whatever expert advisor you have from this list like that, then you choose US oil, and we just use the open prices to make it faster, and we use the date. It will work from 1st of January 2017 . So we get 1st of January 2017 up to date. So it will be almost 2 years and a half. We'll run 2017, 2018, and the mid of 2019. So 2 years and a half. Make sure you have the H4 current spread and like that. So we're gonna start it. Okay. So this I call it oil expert, oil magic expert. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna load an easy to see background. So I'm gonna go template, and I've called it one oil expert. It's just simple like that. It does not have anything. I'm gonna make sure the chart runs here so you guys can see. Okay, and let's see how it works. So we have a buy here. It opened 3 orders at the same time. One profit will be 250. The second will be 450, and the third will be with the. Okay, we get some open prices here for buy, then we get a sell. It's going very crazy. Okay, so I've got all this sell ended in profit, one sell ended in loss here. Then I've got 2 buy orders from different locations. You can see is taking profit from all these buys. You're gonna see some profit and some loss because this is real. Okay, so a sell here. We've got one take profit here, second take profit. So it will work. It will open 3 order at the same time, one for 250 profit, one for 450, and the third one will exit with function, doesn't exit with exact number. Okay, so you're always gonna see it open 3 trades at the same time. You can see all these orders have been in profit. It opened here and it opened here. Okay, you can see all this. If you guys have any idea about how to backtest expert advisor, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. All this was profit. Then it did open a buy here. So you got this 2 profits here and 2 profits here. It did open a sell, ended in loss. Okay, then it did open a buy again here. There was one buy in profit, one loss here, a second buy in profit. You can see the graph, how is it going down here. So this is real trading, fully automated. It does not have any trailing stop. Okay, so if you use this expert, you can have some trailing stop with it manually, or you can, once you're in profit, you can move your stop to not have a return. So I just made it as simple as that to show you guys how it works. So you have this one profit to closed here, you get a sell, ended in loss. That's fine. They've got a buy. The good thing about it is when you have closed trades, usually in a small loss. but the buys will run really good. You can see all these buys did run good. 1, 2, and the third one here. Okay, you always have 3 buys or 3 sells at the same time. You got 3 sells here, but they were in loss. That's fine. You need the overall over like 1 or 2 years period to be able to judge the performance of the expert. You can see this area was having like so much range in market. Anyway, get some nice profit here. So we've got 3 orders from this area and 3 orders from this area, and 6 of them were in profit. You can see that's really nice. See, open the sell, it did continue up, close the sell, open a buy. So we've got some losses here, but that's fine. Like as overall, it works really good. You get the sells here. See, when you have a nice movement, it will catch it really good. You can see all these orders have been fulfilled successfully in profit. You can see the buys here. And it always going with the trend, so it catch any trend. It will never go against the trend. It's just when you have too much range in, it will hit some stop losses, but when you have a trend, a nice trend, it will catch it for sure. So we start at 10,000. Okay, now it's 22,000. So we've made 12,000 points. Each bip here is only $1. So I made it. You can see how many points it will catch over a period of time of 2 years and a half. It did make 17,000. So we will end. See this nice run down. It did catch it. Remember when the oil was like 76 and it did come down to 43? It did catch all this also because it catch in a trend. Here this was a buy, ended in a small loss. That's fine. Did sell here, ended in a small loss. That's fine. As long as we catch this big buy, it will cover all this and make profit at the end. No one is gonna make profit all the time. You can see the performance down here. Sometimes it's low, then start making profit, small losses. But when you catch a good trend, it make really good profit. You can see this is really nice. See all these lines? This is one of the best back tests you can see. Because you can see also losing trades in front of you. So this actually gives you confidence. It doesn't make you feel like, oh, someone is selling you something is gonna win all the time, and you try it and start to lose everything. So that works really good. Look, all these buys, they catch it by itself. And you can see I'm not touching anything. It's just watching with you guys. It has been programmed this way. It works really good. It uses some of the best indicators in the market, been developed in a really good way. Actually, this is a trade when it did catch 2,000 points in this one. See, it did catch 4,000 points actually in this one. 2 orders got made 4,000 points here. All this here. It did catch some good sells here. Then it did catch this buy. That's really nice. Yeah, it did catch all these buys here. That's very good. Still 2 orders running. Should catch them somewhere here. Yeah, that's good. did lose a little bit here, then open a sell here, catch some profit. This is 2.5 years, guys, in 10 minutes. So that's pretty good. That was a buy. It ended in loss, but all the sales did catch a profit. You know, also did buy here, but ended immediately. A sell also closed on a loss, but start buying here. Works really good. Okay, guys. So this is 27 here, the report. Okay, we started at 10,000 because 10,057. Okay, and we ended at 27,263, and that's in 2.5 years. And this is the final graph. Okay, guys, if you like it, please hit the like and share it. Thank you. Have a great day. If we have this fully developed for the market and for sale, I will let you know. I will let you guys know. Thank you. Goodbye.